We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at the one-bedroom apartment 307. Let's go on in and take a look. As we enter, we'll come in and we'll come right through the kitchen area. That's here on our right. You can see the stove and oven. There's the microwave, the sink, and dishwasher is under the sink, and the refrigerator over here. There's cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen. Let's take a look. Across from the kitchen is the bathroom. The bathrooms are all the same here in Collegetown Center. So we have that full-size tub shower. There's the vanity that does open for some storage underneath, the toilet, and a medicine cabinet on the right-hand wall that does open. There's also some towel bars. As we go into the living room space, let's walk on through the kitchen. And you can see we have some assorted furniture. There's the dining table and chair. We have the dresser for the bookshelf for the apartment is over here on the left. And the seating areas, some tables, a 3-person seating, a 1-person seating, a large table, a small table. You can see the air conditioner for this living room is there under the window. This is a beautiful big double window here in the living room area. So we have this window over here that faces to the left, that faces towards the east, towards College Ave. You can see up there is College Avenue. This is the south view over here. We've got that gorgeous south view. We'll take a look at that again when we are in the bedroom. And there's some seating again. There's that kitchen we've come through. Over here is the living room closet. This is a large closet. It's great for extra hanging things, coats, boxes, suitcases, some good storage here in this apartment. So this area that we've been in here is the same size of the studios in general here in Collegetown Center. We're going to go through into the bedroom. That's what makes this a larger unit. Everywhere all this space that we get past this door, this is the sleeping area, the bedroom. This is extra that we don't have in the studio. So this is why this is a larger apartment. So you've got a private sleeping area, then you can shut that door away from your living room space, which is really nice, especially if you do have guests and visitors a lot. You can see we have the bookshelf tucked over here in the wall. And here's that south view again. It's a really nice valley view. It's nice to have that sunny south side of the building. And there's the air conditioner for this room. The bed's a full-size bed. And the heater is over here on the wall. You just want to make sure you're not blocking the heater. And here's the other closet. Let's just get that open. Here's the bedroom closet. Oh, and you can see they've placed the dresser for the apartment here in the closet in this room. I think that's nice. It gives a good amount of space to tuck your clothes away. You can certainly move it wherever you like within the apartment. You can move the furniture around however you like. So that's a look at the one-bedroom apartment 307. We're on the 3rd floor of this 6th floor building here at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We're in the center of Collegetown and we are just 1 block from campus.